Hello and welcome to our channel. Now we learn how to draw a pumpkin. Pumpkin are the vegetable which are very much nutritious. Also, pumpkin is known as the fruit as well as vegetable in many of the countries. Isn't it strange? In this video, we will learn how to draw a cake. Cake is loved by everyone because it's very sweet and you can have it in your favorite flavors like vanilla, chocolate or many other flavors, right? So here is a final look of our cake. Isn't it looking beautiful and delicious? Now with the help of this round and black sketch pen, we'll draw here a chick. The baby of a hen, it is called chick. Now we'll go for a baby bat. What is a baby bat called? A baby bat is called a pup. P-U-P, pup. So here I'm coloring a baby bat with grey color. Now it is completed. Thank you for watching our video.